All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Mike here again with another video of parts galore that we sell here at Axion. I'm going to be talking about the Mitsubishi MHI Stage 2 Turbo. These are for Type R. They also work on the 10th Gen Accord, the TLX 2.0, and the RDX 2.0 Turbo. So let's go ahead and open this up and show you and talk a little bit about the turbo and what you need if you don't have a Type R to fit this on. All right, well, first thing on unboxing, what we like to tell customers to do is this clip right here. Inspect it, make sure it's not damaged. That's gonna halt your whole process. I've also seen a couple of these getting bent in shipping sometimes. You can see the beautiful turbo. So this is completely bolt-on for the Type R. You can swap it in and out. It does require a tune. We've probably sold over at least 600 of these probably to Type R Accord RDX. We had this on our personal shop Accord. Shop Accord. We've had it on our personal RDX. Fantastic turbo. But what do you need to fit these turbos on those cars? All right, well, our good friends at PRL decided to do all the work for you, and you need to order this on our site. This is the, even though it says inlet install kit, it does come with all the coolant lines that are resized so it fits the Accord, TLX, and RDX customers. And it comes with some vacuum hoses and nuts in that. For the people trying to fit like the Type R turbo and it comes with stuff and you're trying to do it without this, you have to resize basically this pipe right here because it doesn't work with the Accord stuff. So what we always recommend is get this kit. It's $179.99 shipped. When you want to do the inlet, then you've got the parts. It makes it a perfect 100% bolt-in turbo on the Accord, TLX, and RDX. What you also need is this kit. PRL's turbo hardware kit comes with nuts, all the gaskets, so oil gaskets, exhaust gaskets, everything. It comes with all those parts. So if you don't have a Type R, you have the Accord, TLX, or RDX. This is the exact parts you need. You can also do the titanium inlet swap. That's another addition. You'll have it with these parts. But I just kind of wanted to go over for you guys. The parts needed, it gets a little confusing with you guys, and I make these videos so you guys completely understand. If you're buying a secondhand turbo and it doesn't come with this is a Type R actuator, okay? So if you're trying to use an Accord one, these MHI always come with these. But just say you're buying one used or something, we're just trying to help you guys out. You need to buy the arm that we sell online if you're using like an Accord actuator, because the difference, there's size difference in the arm and the actuator won't function properly. So lots of options with you guys. I just want to kind of mention some of them. Let's go into some of the horsepower goals and fueling and what you're going to accomplish with this turbo. All right, so this turbo, in the Accord, TLX, and RDX, guys, you're going to make roughly, now, dynos are all different, so I'm just going off base rough numbers. On ethanol, you will make around 400 wheel, 400 torque. That's an E30 blend. Type R guys are going to make more because their fuel system's different than you guys. If you want to start running methanol on top of it because we don't have a fuel option like the Type R guys do, then you're starting to get upwards around 480 wheel horsepower, 500 torque range. But yeah, it's a fantastic turbo. For any of you love the sound of this turbo, it's amazing. Still have yet to have anyone with a warranty issue on these. Obviously, they are basically a Mitsubishi factory turbo that just has the internals changed. So you're basically getting an OEM style turbo. So these are for $24.99 on our website. They come with free shipping. I pretty much guarantee and always have these in stock. So, you know, but reach out to us. If you guys have questions, go down below, comment. I'll leave a link for these. Make sure if you guys have questions, just comment on below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible on this. Whether it's checking stock, you know, can't figure out which turbo to run, P700, there's a couple other ones. RV6 has one coming out. So yeah, just hit us up. Go ahead and like and subscribe. We're almost at 1,500 viewers. Not bad, I guess. Haven't really been doing the YouTube too long, but I hope you guys enjoy, and go order some parts. Later.